So I see today that Dirk Ulrich's company, which is called Rockforce Tech Holding, has bought Apogee Electronics. So now that company owns Apogee Electronics and Manley, which is kind of an interesting thing. I mean, good things could really happen between those two companies because taking the digital converters and merging them with the Manley stuff and putting plugins inside of the Apogee stuff. I mean, I think Dirk is a very smart guy, and he'll make this into something. But the thing I was thinking is, he's buying these companies, and it reminds me of when SSL was bought by Peter Gabriel, and people were like, "Wow, you know, Peter Gabriel bought SSL. He must have a lot of money." And the way I looked at it is, "Wow, SSL must be so affordable, even Peter Gabriel could buy it." And I'm thinking the same kind of thing that's going on here. And I have no evidence of this, but it's just my opinion that Apogee and Manley, they've just gotten to a point where they're a reasonable purchase for Dirk to buy or anybody to buy. Because outboard analog gear, it's not selling like it used to. And digital converters, I don't think people shopping like they used to get the high end converters. So that market is shrinking. So this is kind of a interesting purchase if he got them at the right price, and he can take those two companies. And who knows? Dirk is a very smart guy, so he could be looking at some other companies to bring them all together to create some product that nobody's seen before, or bring value to this stuff that hasn't been there before. I mean, it just, people don't have the budget to spend the money that they were spending on those high end Manley products and the high end converters that Apogee makes. But my personal experience with both companies, they were both in trouble. Apogee, I mean, this is just for me. Apogee, I sold a ton of Apogee stuff, and then they decided to cut me off as a dealer because they didn't think I was selling enough, because they came out with a new product that nobody really wanted. And then about a year later, they were begging me to take on the product line, and I said I'm not interested. And the same thing happened with Manley. They got a third party distributor involved that who's going around to all the dealers saying, "We need $15,000 of sales by the end of the month. We're going to cut you off." And they would cut everybody off, and then a year later beg them to come back. So these two companies got some bad advice, but still great products. So we'll see how this all goes. But it was news that just came out today. All right, there you go.